Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking me about nail art brushes, like where to find them, how much do they cost, and stuff like that. So I thought I'll make a review video on these nail art brushes which I received today, and really just answer your questions and tell you the things that you really want to know. So let me start by telling you where to find them. You can find them at bornprettystore.com. This is an online site which sells nail art brushes and a lot of other nail art related stuff. So if you are really interested, you can check out the description box below. The price of brushes vary a lot in the market. This one you can let me yeah. Now this brush set, it consists of 15 brushes, and it's got actually 14 brushes and one dotting tool, which I for some reason, okay, now I can see it here. This dotting tool. Now this definitely does not replace your 5-way dotting tool set, okay, but if you are just a beginner and you just need a basic dotting tool, this one is definitely going to suffice. I really like this dotting tool because the tip is just perfect, for the kind of nail art stuff you need to do on a daily basis. These are fanning brushes, and there's not much to talk about fanning brushes. They all are of the same shape usually, except for the fact that this one, the brush bristles are like really soft, and what I really like about these bristles is that they're like really soft, very velvety, very easy to use. And I really think that when I use these brushes for tapping glitter powder on my nail, or just pressing glitter on my nails down, these brushes are going to do the job really well, because like I said, the brush end is like really smooth and really fine. The next nail art brush which I would like to talk about is this one. Now this is not like a typical striper brush because it's not like really that long, but it's somewhere between the usual striper brush and like this one, and somewhere between the drawing brush, so you really know what to use when, and it's perfect for all kinds of needs. Like this one is a little thick than this one, it's a little shorter than this one, so when you're doing on my nail, or just pressing glitter on my nails down, these brushes are going to do the job really well, because like I said, the brush end is like really smooth and really fine. The next nail art brush which I would like to talk about is this one. Now this is not like a typical striper brush because it's not like really that long, but it's somewhere between the usual striper brush and like this one, and somewhere between the drawing brush, so you really know what to use when, and it's perfect for all kinds of needs. Like this one is a little thick than this one, it's a little shorter than this one, so when you're doing nail art, depending on your nail length and whether you want to draw stripes horizontally or diagonally, you can really choose between these two, and I really like that. This brush is used for side drawing side curves and side strokes. I'm going to demonstrate this in my next video when I show you how to use these nail art brushes practically. This is again a really good brush, and I think everybody must have it if they're interested in nail art, nail art, it says that. Okay, this is a one stroke nail art brush which you're going to need for one stroke nail art. This is again another one. This can be used for this white one can be used for both one stroke nail art and also for French manicure. I'm going to demonstrate this again in my next video. God, what else do we have? This one is obviously for gel nail art. It does not have the regular brush hair, but it's just got this really hard set brush hair, which can make gel nail art really easy. For those of you who are aware of gel nail art, you'll know what these brushes can do, so I won't really have to get into the details. The rest of you can know that this brush is for gel nail art, so that's it. Apart from that, okay, yeah, this one again deserves a special mention. This nail art brush, it's basically a drawing brush. What I like about this brush is that it's got a really thick end with all the weight concentrated on this side. This one is like really thin on where you really need to hold the brush, so when you're drawing, you get a really good grip. The brush end is very thin, very small and very pointy, and this will make nail drawing for nail art very easy. So this brush, I think it's going to be my personal favorite, and there is really no better reason to explain to you why than what reasons I've already given to you. And these are your other nail art brushes. These are just like the other nail art brushes which we just saw, except for the fact that there's slight modifications. Like this one has a really has a broader tip as compared to the previous one that we saw. This one is again for gel nail art. This one, this one, this one. These are similar to the brushes which we just saw, so I'm not going to get into the details. Now, I hope I've answered your questions about nail art brushes in this video, and I highly recommend these brushes to all of you who want to do nail art and haven't got a brush set yet, because believe it or not, like, you can use the regular brushes and all for nail art, but in the end of the day you need a proper brush set for nail art, because that is what really makes a difference between good nail art and bad nail art. So these brushes, and by the way, I forgot to mention, Born Pretty store also gives you free shipping on any product that you buy, so that makes it all the more lucrative and all the more cheap. So you definitely should get these brushes if you haven't got one set already. And that's all. I'll see you in the next video where I demonstrate how to use these brushes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.